Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to share a powerful but simple habit that takes just 5 minutes a day and can completely transform your English fluency.
Yes, friends, if you've ever felt stuck or unsure how to improve your English daily, stay with us till the end. We're talking about something small, easy, and effective. The 5-minute daily habit that can truly change your English journey.
Let's begin by asking a simple question. What if just 5 minutes a day could help you speak better English, understand native speakers, and become more confident in your everyday conversations? It may sound unbelievable, but it works if you do it regularly.
Absolutely. Many learners think they need hours of study or expensive classes, but the truth is, consistency matters more than long study sessions. 5 focused minutes every day can bring real change. So, what is this habit?
The habit is speak out loud to yourself in English for 5 minutes every day. That's it. You don't need anyone else, no expensive tools, and no internet connection. You just need yourself and your voice.
And it doesn't have to be complicated. You can talk about your day, your plans, or even describe the things you see around you. The important part is that you speak clearly out loud and in English.
Let's break it down. Step 1. Choose a time that suits you best. Maybe right after waking up or before going to bed. Step 2. Stand in front of a mirror or just sit comfortably. Step 3. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Then step 4, start speaking. For example, you can say, "Today I woke up at 7 o'clock. I brushed my teeth and got ready for work. I ate eggs and toast for breakfast." Keep going. Don't worry about grammar. Don't stop. Just speak.
You may feel shy or nervous at first. That's completely normal, but over time you'll notice a big difference. You'll feel more confident. Your words will come out faster, and your pronunciation will improve too.
Exactly. When you speak every day, you train your brain to think in English. That's the real magic. You're building a habit, and that habit builds your fluency. Just like going to the gym helps your body, this 5-minute habit exercises your English.
Let's give an example of what someone might say during their 5 minutes. Imagine this. Hello, my name is Sarah. I live in Lahore. Today is a sunny day. I feel good. I am learning English. I want to speak better. I watch videos on YouTube. I like to listen and learn new words. I am trying my best every day.
That's a perfect start. It doesn't have to be perfect English. The goal is to use your voice and your mind together. Over time, your grammar and vocabulary will improve naturally.
You can also talk about your goals. For example, I want to speak English fluently. I want to travel. I want to make new friends. I want to get a better job. I want to pass my interview. I will keep practicing. I will not give up. These kinds of sentences not only help your English, but also motivate you.
And remember, it's okay to repeat the same words every day in the beginning. Repetition helps you remember and speak more easily. As you grow, you can add more details and use more advanced vocabulary.
If you don't know what to say, pick a topic. Talk about food, weather, family, your routine, or your dreams. The important thing is not what you say, but that you say it in English and you say it daily.
Now, Let's quickly list the benefits of this simple 5-minute habit. First, you become more confident. Second, your pronunciation gets better. Third, you begin to think in English. Fourth, you improve fluency naturally. Fifth, you create a strong learning habit.
And it doesn't cost anything. You don't need to wait for a teacher. You don't need a partner. You are your own teacher, your own partner. You just need 5 minutes of focus and honesty with yourself.
To make this even more powerful, try recording your voice. Listen to it after a week or a month. You'll hear your progress, and it will give you more motivation to keep going.
That's a great tip. Also, write down some new words you use while speaking. Then try to use those words again in the next sessions. Slowly, your vocabulary will grow without memorizing long word lists.
So, to recap, the 5-minute daily English habit is simple. Speak out loud in English for 5 minutes every day. Be consistent. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep going. Small steps bring big results.
At the start of this video, we said that this habit can transform your English. And now you know how. It's simple, free, and effective. Just give yourself 5 minutes each day, and your confidence will grow.
We've learned today that transformation doesn't need to be difficult or expensive. It just needs to be daily. With this 5-minute speaking habit, you can start your journey to fluent English today.
Thank you for watching this video on English with Altaf. Start your habit today and let us know in the comments what you talked about in your 5 minutes.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video. Keep speaking English.
Take care and happy learning.